The Supreme Court today has expressed deep concerns over serious environmental degradation due to the dumping of plastic waste in rivers across India, highlighting that any cleanup effort will be useless unless strict measures are adopted by the concerned authorities. The top court asked the centre to deal with the issue on a priority basis. The Supreme Court has also asked the central government to suggest what can be done to address this issue and file an affidavit within 4 weeks. Now, it's also worth noting that nearly 20,000 crore rupees has been spent on cleaning the Ganga, while 10,000 crore rupees has been spent on cleaning the Yamuna. We're crossing over to my colleague Harish to bring us more on this. Harish, over to you.
Yes, that's right. The Supreme Court has taken up a very key and nagging environmental issue. The Supreme Court bench led by Justice Rishikesh Roy has raised serious concern over the serious environmental degradation caused by dumping of plastic waste in rivers across the country, and said that any cleanup effort will be illusory and futile unless immediate steps are taken to stop it. And very significantly, the Supreme Court bench has issued a direction to the Additional Solicitor General Aishwarya Bhatti, who represents the centre, to suggest what the centre can do in this regard, and has been asked to take the issue on a priority basis and suggest what can be done and file an affidavit within 4 weeks. And as you rightly said, this issue assumes importance, as remember already rupees 20,000 crore has been spent on cleaning in the Ganga, rupees 10,000 crore spent on trying to clean the Yamuna, but everything has gone down the drains, and the Ganga and Yamuna still flows dirty. So these comments are very important, and for the benefit of the viewers, let me read out what exactly the Supreme Court bench said. The Supreme Court told the centre there is a widespread use of plastic in the areas which are to be kept free from such pollution potential products. The dumping of plastic is causing serious environmental degradation and also impacting aquatic life in the riverbanks and the water bodies in the country. Unless concerted effort is made by the responsible authorities with people's cooperation, irrespective of the efforts to target illegal unauthorized constructions, the desired improvement of the quality of the water in the country will remain illusory. In the above circumstances, while permitting the government to file an affidavit in 4 weeks on the issues raised in the appeal, the response should also take into account the environmental concerns raised by us. So, very important observations made by the Supreme Court. This matter was raised by environmental activist Akash Vashisht, who is also a Supreme Court lawyer, and the Supreme Court permanently found merit in his arguments and has issued these very important directions as far as the water bodies in the country, especially rivers across the country, are concerned.